Finally something new in the e-bike sector. This is the Freebeat Morph 2-in-1 e-bike, an absolutely genius concept because aside from riding it outdoor like a regular e-bike, this also doubles up as an indoor workout bike. And what's best, while working out you will actually charge up the battery. So with this you will get an epic bike, then also a smart indoor ergometer, which will in most cases cost you as much as an e-bike itself. And on top you will also save a lot on electricity when you charge it up yourself. What an amazing concept. Got a new drip from Freebeat. This is the Morph 2-in-1 e-bike. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. And now, let's check it out. So there we have it. Up here it says find your beat. We have the box for the bike and we of course have the box for the ground stand. Freebeat riding platform. Let's get to work. So there we go, big reveal. Wow, those are some huge tires. Okay, so let's get this bad boy out. Oh. And here we also have the bag with the accessories. So, and now let's get rid of this box. Now it's time to remove all the wrapping. And as you can see, I have already clamped it into this indoor holder, this mounting device. That's so handy. So yeah, let's get to work. Cover right there. So yeah. Done with that. Now it's time to check out the accessories. So here we go. First of all, we have this cover right here that was on the bike. Then next up we have the battery. This is what it looks like. And right here we have an indicator and also this. So first of all, I will it up to get it charged up, and here we have this side with the contacts. On the steering bar there were the keys of course, and before I get to the box you will also get this stand. Pretty cool. So two of these feet and then the parts for the actual stand. Pretty nice accessories all in all. And now let's open up this box, and as you can see in here we have quite a lot of stuff. So first of all we have the charger. Wow, that is one cool charger. That's the connector, I've never seen this. And that's what it looks like with the LED right here and the specs down here. We have this side and then of course a cable for the power outlet. And we also have a fairly detailed manual. Well, actually it's multi-language, just 2 pages. So page 1 and page 2 right here. Then we of course also get pedals. So we have the left and the right pedal. This is what they look like. Then the quick release for the front wheel. Then we also get reflectors for the wheels so that it's street legal. And we also got this, pretty dope, this dope looking wrench. Nice, 50 millimeters. And we also get this full tool set right here by Rock Bros. Also this right here, a really neat phone holder, all metal parts right here. Then right here, a bell, and lastly, a back reflector. That's also a light. All right, let's get to the setup. So let's do it. First of all, steering bar. So that's that. Next up, front wheel. So easy thanks to this stand. Now, of course, we need the quick release. Okay, easy as that. Oh, wow, perfect. And the brakes are amazing too. Strong brakes. Let's inflate the tires while mounting the pedals. Multitasking. Let's go. 5 to 30 psi, 0.4 to 2.1 bar. Both tires are inflated. Almost done. By the way, that's the status of the battery. It just wasn't activated, or I don't know, but now it wasn't empty. It was actually on 50% and now we have 4 out of 5. So let's insert it. Sweet. Okay, and the cover is actually needed. All right, nice. And the on-off. Nice. That's a neat sound. So, and lastly, let's mount the reflectors. Okay, simple as that. Alrighty, good stuff. Oh yeah, and of course the front light. Done with the unboxing and with the setup. Now let's get to my first impressions and then of course to a close overview. I'm done with the setup and I also just turn it on. Oh my goodness, this thing goes. And it looks amazing. Check this out. Fat tires, looking sick. We also have a pretty neat saddle, pretty soft. And we also have this cable right here going underneath the saddle. Never seen this before. Pretty cool. The frame looks super sturdy. And yeah, I gotta show you. Press and hold to turn it on. I will keep this on, but I will actually remove this right here. So 7-speed by Shimano. And now check this out. We have a throttle that will take us all the way up to almost 50 kph. Amazing. Let's go. All right, and now let's take a close look. So starting in the back, the mount, the holder, absolutely handy. I love this thing. This is great for maintenance. Aside from, you know, the indoor stuff, it's just such a handy piece of equipment. Then right here in the back, we have the motor, absolutely massive. We have the disc brake, of course, and it runs super smooth right out of the box. Sweet looking caliper. Then we of course have all the connections going. Down here we also have a kickstand. Okay, I can't use it right now. Also straight out of the box. Pedals right here. Let me turn it off again. Brake test. Absolutely solid brakes. So yeah, pedals right here. Same caliper on the front wheel, of course. We have the disc right here. Really nice shock absorption right there. Really long and thick. And you can adjust it right here. Then we, of course, have the front light. That's the other side of the front wheel. And here we have the other side. Good protection right there. That's the chain. All the gears back here. And the shifter right there. Solid bike. Right here we have the keyhole. And here we can also open up this cover. Then we have the battery underneath, of course. And right here we have the on-off button. And on the other side we have the charging port. Really thick tire, by the way. And that's the profile right there. And lastly, of course, the handlebar. Freebeat branding all the way. Super nice grips, cool stitching. And here we can see the brake. Absolutely amazing brakes. Then we already know the bell, and here we have the on-off plus minus. On the other side we of course have the shifter and the other brake, namely the back brake. Hydraulic brakes, of course. Good stuff. Handlebar from the front, neat cable management, as you can see. Cable management through the frame, of course. And lastly, let's turn it on. So with the plus you can go to 3, and with the minus you can go to 0 with the assist. As we saw, we have the throttle. Interesting. It's corresponding to the assist level. So on assist 1. Okay, it will actually have the same speed on all 3 assists. Yep. But on assist 0, the throttle isn't active either. So that's like the no power mode right there. And assist 1 with the pedals. And assist 3. So it seems like that this will be only noticeable during riding. But yeah, so far so good. Not bad, right? And now let's get to a test. So here we go. Usually the outdoor test is the last segment of my reviews, but I thought, hey, let's mix it up for this one. On my way here, I noticed that the assist will also affect the throttle acceleration. So on assist 1, the throttle will go easy, and on assist 3 it will go hard, of course. Then what I forgot to show you is on the plus button, when you press and hold, this will activate the backlight on the screen, and it will also activate the front light right there. Press and hold to turn it off, and when you press and hold the minus button you will activate the walking assist, and this will activate the motor just a little bit up to around 4 kph. And when you press the power button, then you can cycle in between trip and total. Alright, so let's start with assist 0, and let's see if I can also use this without power. Second gear right here, and yes, even in the second gear it's fairly manageable. Not too bad, not too bad. But now, of course, let's crank up the assist. On assist 1, yeah, there you can really feel it kicking in. On assist 2, quite a bit harder. And on assist 3, yes. That's powerful. Whoa. And it will also kick in pretty much immediately Nice. As soon as you pedal, it will kick in. This bike is looking so cool. I love it. This bike is looking hardcore. Alrighty then, let's keep going. And this time I'm going to use the throttle. Haha. On assist 3. Oh yeah. Oh, so nice. And it's fast too. Almost 40 kph. Amazing. Short supply run. Okay, I will just put it right here. I hope no one will steal it. Oh my goodness, it's looking so good. I need to be fast. So that was fast indeed. That took me 2 minutes. It's still there. It's riding perfectly, just straight out of the box. One of my best e-bike experiences so far, hands down. Oh, let's go. And it's powerful and fast too. Woo! Let's go, baby. Oh man, this thing goes. Super stable as well. Free-handed riding, no problem whatsoever. By the way, check out the shock absorber. Great shock absorber too. This bike is amazing. Alrighty, there we go. So back from the ride test. Huge battery in there, so no dent in the battery whatsoever. You can go for miles and miles. As I said, straight out of the box, perfect ride feeling. It's super stable and strong and fast. For sure one of my best e-bike experiences so far, but we are long from done with this video because now it's of course time for all the indoor action and all of that good stuff, so let's go. And so that we don't need to hold our phone while riding like this basically, we of course will now install the phone holder right here next to the bell, I guess would be the best. So as you can see, this is a high quality metal phone holder right here. All the tools are included. And when you tighten it up, this will be super sturdy, just like that. You will also get adhesive pads, but in my case, my phone is of course padded already. Well, I have a case, so I will need those. And this can of course also be used while riding it. This is just a great phone holder all in all. And check this out, how stable it is. It is incredibly stable. Metal for the win. Yeah, and this way, when we start the app, yeah, and with that, it is just awesome. But what's of course even better is to cast it to a TV. By the way, sports outfit, here we go. So I have it right here on the steering bar with this super stable phone holder, and it's now casting to the TV. So let's start the app. And by the way, before we get started, the way this indoor mode is intended to be used is by going all the way up to the 7th gear, last gear, so that it will be the hardest to push, and then the rest will be dialed in with the difficulty. So back mount, front mount, last gear, and then we're ready. And when we go for a scenic ride, for example, then it will automatically switch into the landscape mode. And you can of course either listen through the TV or through the phone. Yeah, and just like that, we are ready to go. We will now of course charge the battery through our hard work, and this is a 100% emission-free bonus mileage that we will gather. And Freebeat is calling this the green distance because when we charge it up indoors, we will get bonus miles that we can spend outdoors basically. Emission-free bonus miles. Anyways, let's get to a test. So after just 1 minute, 17 watt hours charged, 1.4 green miles earned. Let's play the game. That's actually quite enjoyable. Oh, we're already at 20. It's already getting hard. Oh. Whew. Let's see. 1.6 green miles. Oh my goodness. At resistance, it wasn't even at 20 and it was already super hard. Okay. Okay. Ah. Ah. Oh. Okay. 0.7. Oh my goodness. Okay, so resistance at 100 is hard. So yeah, it's definitely not too easy. Okay, and now I'm going to get completely wrecked with the studio classes. Let's see. Okay. Okay.
We are doing Dua Lipa in the moment. Let's get it started. Better way than with levitating. Am I right? Find your handlebars nice and neat.
Is she going double time? Oh my god, I can't do that.
I love doing these classes.
Oh my god, okay, let's see what we got. 1.83 miles, green miles. Okay, let's try.
Hey, you hound dogs. It's me, Tony G. We got 15 minutes together. Let's
Yeah, this guy is going hard. Ah, bonus, 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 bonus! Ah. The seat will detect it. Bonus, bonus, bonus! Yeah, he's doing all sorts of dance moves, stuff like that. That will make it more entertaining, make the time. Oh, this is only 12 minutes. But you will definitely need shoes, because standing on the metal pedals with your bare feet is kind of painful. But yeah, you will get bonus when you stand up. Look what he's doing. It's really dope. But I think you get the point. And now let's see. Almost 1 green mile. Once again. And here you can see all the stats. Max combo average on beat. Leaderboard right here. Let's go. So as you saw, pretty dope, right? We have the scenic rides, as you can see right here. We have the music game where you need to pedal on beat. And we also have the studio classes. And there is a lot of variety and there's more to come as well. So yeah, definitely an amazing concept. Big thumbs up from my side. As you saw, this is an epic looking and powerful e-bike, perfectly calibrated straight out of the box. Definitely one of my best experiences when it gets to e-bikes so far. Solid build quality, stable ride feeling, amazing brakes, great suspension, great saddle, great gear shifter, can't complain whatsoever. And then there is also the indoor component of this system, which is so genius. Hands down a game-changing concept. The mount for the back wheel is also super handy when it gets to the setup and possible maintenance tasks in the future. And the fact that you can actually charge up the battery yourself, well, this makes this e-bike the first e-bike, at least to my knowledge, that is actually blackout resistant. You won't need power to charge it. How cool is that? And the app also has many different programs and features that will make your indoor workouts fun as well. And as you saw, you can even do HIIT training sessions. And thanks to the smart saddle detection feature, this bike will know if you do it right or not. So cool, and all in all, definitely trippy. Check out the product links in the description if you're interested. I will link the best deals for you, but before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy your day and I will see you soon.